salad for breakfast? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we know that great health begins in the kitchen using real foods and high quality supplements. Today we're going to be making a breakfast avocado, spinach, and egg salad. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then in a small bowl, add in 1/2 of a cup of sliced up onion, which helps support your digestion, something you definitely want in the morning. Next, add in 1/2 of a cup of sliced up bell pepper, which is high in vitamin C to help support your immune system. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of heart-healthy olive oil over top and toss to coat. Set your coated veggies aside, and now we're going to move on to the avocado. Take your avocado, slice it lengthwise, twist her open, very nice, and then remove the pit. Scoop out just enough so that you can add an egg. Depending on the size of your avocado, it's about 2 tablespoons worth. Keep this extra avocado that you just scooped out, and you can either add it to your salad or squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice on top, put it in your refrigerator, and turn it into some guacamole for later. Place your avocado halves facing up onto a baking sheet, and if they're falling over, just prop them up side by side. Next, let's add your onions and peppers, and you want to spread them out so that they are a single layer. Add each of your eggs into one of the avocado halves. And if a little bit spills over like mine just did, that's not a big deal. Last, let's sprinkle your avocado eggs and onions and peppers with 1/2 of a teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Roast in the oven for about 12 minutes for a soft egg, 14 minutes for a medium egg, and about 17 to 18 minutes for a hard egg. Now for our dressing. I've got 3 options for you. You can either use your favorite already made dressing, you can squeeze some fresh lemon juice over top, or you can make this really simple dressing that I'm about to show you now. So in a mixing bowl or a little glass jar, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The juice of 1/2 of a lemon, another ingredient that's really rich in vitamin C, so it's great for your immune system. If you want to add in a little bit of spice, I'm going to add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Last, I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our clean sourced collagen powder, which is excellent for your digestion, hair, nails, bones, teeth, joints, and of course your skin. Mix together your ingredients really well, and then we're going to set it aside until you're ready to serve up your salad. While that's roasting, let's prepare up the salad. This recipe is for 2 servings, so I'm going to take my 4 cups of spinach and divide it up into 2 bowls, but by all means, if you're hungry, you don't want to share, I'm alright with you eating it all yourself. I won't judge. Spinach is rich in vitamin K that helps support your bone health, and it's also going to help our bodies absorb the vitamin D that's found in the egg yolks. And vitamin D is excellent for your immune system and fighting inflammation. Next, let's add in the scooped out avocado if you're going to be using it in the salad. I ended up roasting my vegetables and my eggs for 20 minutes. But every oven temperature is different and varies a little bit, so just be sure to keep an eye on them and then take them out when they are ready to your liking. Okay, so let's spread out the peppers and the onions. Next, take your avocado egg and scoop that out. Last, drizzle your salad with your dressing. I also sprinkle just a little bit of walnuts over top of my salad, so let's give it a taste. That is absolutely delicious. I absolutely love the red peppers and the onions in there, how they really kick up the flavor. I can taste a little bit of that spicy cayenne. I probably wouldn't roast my egg for as long next time, just because I think I might have overcooked it just a tad. This is so great, so delicious, and I also wanted to add in, hey, if you want to save time, you're more than welcome to use leftover vegetables to add into the salad instead of roasting up the peppers and onions, or you can roast them up the night before just so that you can save some time and get to the salad quicker in the morning. Thanks for being with me today. If you're new, be sure to subscribe to our channel because I'm here every week with a new healthy recipe to keep you inspired in the kitchen. I'll see you next week.